Hi, I'm Bertrand Sicot, the SOLIDWORKS CEO. So the music on my iPhone is not loud enough, so I have no time to go buy a speaker. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to design a passive amp in SOLIDWORKS 2015 on Windows 8 and print it right away on the 3D printer beside me on MakerBot. I have picked Drive as the quality because I'm short on time. I could have selected also medium or fine. Designing this passive amp in SOLIDWORKS and printing it with the new Windows 8 3D printing driver was very quick and easy. Easy as SOLIDWORKS.